Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to create new media folders. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the Post Calendar tab. Let's click over here to Media. And in order to create new folders, we have to click over here on this here. And then click on Add Subfolders. Like so. So it's that simple. You just click over here on folder settings, add subfolder, name your folder and click on add. But in case you want to create a subfolder to one of those folders, let's click on this folder and then we once again have the folder settings. And we have the option to add subfolders, to rename the folder or to delete the folder. So let's click on add subfolder. Let's give it a name and click on add. And now we can see the subfolder for this folder over here, like so. So this is how you can create new folders in the media library. Until next time.